Are you responsible for developing your company's leaders and frontline managers? Do you want to make sure that the money you spend in doing so has a positive effect on your bottom line? Do you want to work with a training provider that will take the time to get to know your company and its specific needs and requirements? If you do, congratulations, you're in the right place. Welcome to Eagle Training. This video will outline the highly acclaimed 7-step process that we use when working with clients such as Premier Foods, United Biscuits, Robert Bosch, Siemens and Deutsche Bank. We have one primary aim: to make your training investment profitable, and I'd like to demonstrate to you how we do that. The first step in the comprehensive and integrated Eagle training process is for us to spend some time with you to find out where you are right now in terms of developing your leaders and managers and where you would like to be. This initial discussion will help us to better understand you and your company. The second step is to then meet the potential delegates to do a diagnosis. This helps us to make sure that we know the real problems and challenges they're facing and what their life is like. The information that we get is then used in the third step, the design phase. We go to great lengths to make sure that any program we work on meets the specific needs of the client and their delegates and not be a rehash of other programs. We then present you with our suggested design. At this point in the process, you can agree the content or make amendments. This means that when we start the delivery phase, you will be confident that you know exactly what your delegates will be covering in any of the modules. Step 4 is to meet the delegates' line managers. We do this to secure their support to the process because we believe it is essential that the delegates get the necessary support to bring about positive change in their workplace behaviour. You might be surprised to hear that up to this point you will not have to pay a penny. That's right, not a penny. At Eagle Training, we see these first 4 steps as our investment in developing a long-term and mutually beneficial relationship. The 5th step is the delivery of the program. The Eagle Training style is to challenge the way that our delegates think, work and relate in order to bring about positive changes in the way they do their job. But while we are highly challenging, we are also highly supportive, offering one-to-one coaching and feedback where necessary. Step 6 is to maintain momentum between modules. Most of our programs are between 6 and 8 modules in duration, which are spaced a month apart to take advantage of a learn, apply, review methodology. At the end of each module, the delegates leave with a clear plan of action that, with the support of their manager, they implement in the month before the next module. When we get back together, we review the workplace application that has taken place. One of the ways that we ensure your training investment works for you is to get the delegates to undertake a workplace assignment that demonstrates the following 3 things. 1. What were their key learnings? 2. How did they apply them in the workplace? 3. What benefit did that have for them, their team and the company? Over the years, delegates have had some fantastic results. We have testimonials from many of our clients who tell us that the programs we have delivered have produced significant savings for them. The final step in our process is that we provide ongoing support for you and your delegates after the program has completed and the delegates have presented their assignments. We are available to you or the delegates at any time to offer our support, encouragement or assistance. We see this as part of the long-term relationships that we seek to build with our clients. If what you have seen in this video sounds interesting to you and you feel that you'd like to learn more about the highly acclaimed Eagle Training process, you can contact us at info@eagletraining.co.uk or call us on 01376 346939. We would be delighted to have an initial no-obligation chat with you to discuss how we might be able to work with you to develop your leaders and frontline managers. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video today.